Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the 453T in a 2009 F350. I've got 1,000 kilometers on this now, and the engine failed on me. My fault really, because I didn't take this engine apart and inspect it before I put it on the road. It was apparently a good running takeout, but really, once I start putting pressure on it, it wasn't a good running takeout. So, my fault, really. I can't blame anybody but me for doing this, but the liners are in really bad shape. You can see that liner's destroyed. But every liner's worn out, and every liner shows signs of rusting where it sat in the Florida weather for years. This particular liner though is suspect for cavitation. I think that was the root cause of this failure. I'll show you once I get around the other side. So the engine was running really well. I'll include a little short clip. That's full throttle, locked in fourth, 8% grade. So back pressure and turbo boost are damn near equal. I was pulling that 8% grade at about 2,400 RPM. EGTs were good. Boost was 30 PSI. And running really nice. No smoke, nothing. And then it started to haze a little bit. And the temperature started to climb. And I reduced power. You could see those pits there. I think that's cavitation. Anyway, reduced power and found a safe place to pull over because there was snow on the sides of the roads and I couldn't block the highway. So by the time I shut her down, you could not even see behind me. It drank almost all the coolant out of the engine. So there's the blower, or airbox I should say. And I'll show you the blower. The head as well is a big concern because when you get Detroit's hot, the heads crack. I got it up to 200. When I shut it down, the gauge said 205. I'm hoping it doesn't look like I wrecked the head, but I'll get it magnafluxed, as is. I'll get it magnafluxed as well as the crankshaft as well. And my blower. Another big concern was ingesting debris in the blower. It did suffer one bit of debris here, but I can clean that up, and I'm going to reuse the blower. So a few little nicks here, but a little bit of sandpaper will fix those. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned. I'll update you further once I pull the liners out. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Engine was run in Florida for years without any cooling, or sorry, without any antifreeze, just straight water, and I think that's what the root cause was. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for further updates. Take care.